the Galaxy S24 is already being sold by a store. A fresh hands-on leak of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra came out yesterday. It is expected that the Galaxy S24 series will be on sale in the next few days or weeks. You can't say for sure that Samsung has released this product yet, but the company seems to be getting ready for it, and may have already sent phones to some shops. The phone seems to have been sold early at one of these shops because they didn't know when it was supposed to come out. Roland Quant, a famous leaker, saw that the Galaxy S24 is already for sale at the Mexican shop Dodo. The 128GB model costs 16,490 pesos, and the 256GB model costs 17,999 pesos. These prices are the same as the previous models that had the same amount of storage. The store's prices for the Galaxy S24 could just be brief placeholders. It's not clear if the store is actually selling the phones or if the prices were released too soon. The company aims to make the Galaxy S24 series public on January 17th. There are rumors that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip everywhere except Europe. The Exynos 2400 chip is likely to be in both the Galaxy S24 Plus and the regular Galaxy S24 for the European market. Also, a reliable source recently shared important information about the graphics and user interface of One UI 6.1. Ice Universe says that the animation frame rate has been improved again compared to One UI 6.0. This means that the animation will look more delicate and smooth. I think Samsung thought about the fact that it would use more electricity. The background scaling animation is much better now that it's not linear. The wallpaper also scales a lot, which is bigger than iOS scaling, which makes the animation look very bright. However, the icon is returned to its original size. There is a more noticeable elastic animation, and starting and closing the app over and over again without any problems is very stable and smooth. It's a big jump from One UI 6.0 to 6.1. Samsung is said to be aiming to give the Galaxy S24 series 7 years of major operating system updates, which is a very long time. And report in Android headlines not long ago said that the upcoming Galaxy S24 series might be able to get updates for 7 years. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.